Okay. The printer had to think about it again. Are you done? Jeez. Well, it is about that time that I get very stressed. It's currently spring break. In fact, it is my birthday. So, happy birthday to me. I am stressed. But I know you get to that point where you're just incredibly stressed and you don't know what to do. For me, it's because there's so much happening with school and because, I don't know, I decided to get married in less than 6 months. So I'm just a wee bit stressed. So what helps me to get unstressed is my self-care stuff that I talked about a few weeks ago. I'll link that for you up here. But also just getting it done. Action and task completion makes me feel better and less stressed. So today we're gonna jump into all that's getting me stressed and give you a plan to help deal with some of your stress if you also feel better through task completion. Let's go. Before we get too excited though, it would be an amazing birthday gift if you hit that thumbs up down below and subscribe to this channel. You'll get hit with all of my videos as soon as they come out. Thank you so much in advance. Let's get into this. All right, first off, so I follow Jamie Wolfer on YouTube. I'll link her channel down below. And she is a professional wedding planner and she has a whole YouTube channel about how to plan your wedding, balling on a budget, as she says. That's where I got this master plan resource. So if you go to her website, you can get this master plan that she calls it. And it's a basic planning timeline. So it tells you what you should do at 12 months, 10 months, 8 months, details, research, and book. It's very pretty. However, I want a check sheet so I can put like dates and notes and stuff on it. This is just the PDF, so I can't interact with it the way I want to. So my first step is gonna be getting organized. So I'm gonna put all of this into a nice spreadsheet so I can put little check boxes and I can keep myself organized, because that alone is gonna make me feel so much better. Cue the music. the timeline is finished now. I feel better. Okay, there's a whole lot here. There's a whole lot. But I have a dress. The website is almost done. Invites are designed for the most part. The officiant we got. Wedding party is almost done. I have to confirm with my flower girl, and then we're good. My tips for stress. 1, get organized. Put it in a spreadsheet, write it on a list, whatever you gotta do. Have a way that you can check things off and see your progress. Definitely helps keep everything organized, makes you feel like you're making progress, which I think is the biggest part of stress. You just feel like you're spinning your wheels, not getting anywhere. Number 3, make it look pretty. So like I put some of my wedding colors on here because it makes me happy. And it just looks nice and it makes me feel better about it. I think I'm gonna have details for some of these things on the next sheet. So like what I want for the wedding party or what still has to get done for that, things like that. Do I want to print this? What would it look like printed? Ooh, I like that better. Okay, so I'm looking at this and it says 6 months, 4 months, 2 weeks. So I think I might, switch this guy and this guy because I like it spread out on these pages. So I made this binder like 2 days ago. This is actually a deconstructed card that one of my friends gave me. So this was the front, this was on the back of the front cover, and this was the inside of the envelope. And then I had these felt hearts from a Valentine's DIY I did with some of my other friends. And I'm little B, because I'm gonna be Miss B. So I'm gonna put my timeline in the color protector sheets in the binder because it makes me feel more organized. And if I can see it all nicely, then I can, formulate a plan of attack when I'm gonna do things each day. I don't particularly love the color of this binder. I think it's a little bit too big, or not too big, but like too loud. But I had it and I'm only gonna be using it for 6 months, so it didn't seem right to just go buy a new one, All right, so there's my timeline. Got that in there, that's ready to go. So let me go to my details list, I think. So we're gonna break all of these big tasks into micro tasks. That's another tip for you. Break down big projects into much smaller tasks. So like even book, photo, and video, there's a lot of things that go into that. So first I gotta contact my stepmother-in-law, because I know she has a couple photographers she had in mind, see what she thinks so I can get a short list. Then I have to investigate each of those photographers, then I gotta call them, then I gotta see who's available. Like there's a lot of little things that go into just booking a photographer. So I'm gonna start breaking some of those things down into micro tasks. Okay, so now I have micro tasks broken down for the 6 months. I'm gonna start assigning things. So I'm gonna make certain things for my fiance to do, certain things for me to do, and things we have to do together. So let me make a little key about that. So let's recap kind of everything that I've done. So number one, I got organized. I figured out my master plan timeline. Thank you, Jamie Wolfer. And I put it on a spreadsheet for myself. Then I color coordinated it so it looked pleasing to the eye. I gave it check boxes so I can check things off and see the progress that I'm making. Step 4, I made a list of micro tasks. So I broke those big things down into smaller bites so I can tackle them one at a time. Step 5, I designated responsibilities. So I'm giving people things to do based on what we gotta get done. I'm gonna go through and do micro tasks for the other months as well. I'm also kind of try and designate responsibilities, see what I can do regarding all of that. So at this point, I feel like I've broken most of it down into micro tasks. When we hit that 1 month, 2 weeks mark, it kind of just is confirmed with this person, finalize this, which is literally a one-step direction of call the people who haven't RSVP'd. So I'll share this with Matt then and we'll get going. Okay guys, I feel so much better and I feel a lot less stressed because I broke this task down, I organized it, and I designated responsibilities. And I also made it look pretty. I hope this inspires you to break through some of your stress that you've got going on and to help keep you productive. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Also hit that subscribe button down below so you get notified with all of my latest videos. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.